Hey guys, Alice here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving in not one, not two, not three, but 12 passive income ideas for anyone being a student, a stay-at-home. Practically anyone can actually dive into this passive income idea today. This method can help you build a steady stream of income with minimal effort. Do not skip any part because you do not know the one that will work for you. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. The number one on my list is automated dropshipping. Automated dropshipping stores are another excellent option to earn passive income online. With dropshipping, you don't need to own any inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. By automating the order fulfillment process, you can create a truly passive income stream. Platforms like Shopify and Obalo make it easy for you to set up your store and start selling immediately. I know I'm not really going in depth into this dropshipping business because I've already created a dedicated video just for dropshipping. I'm going to be leaving the link to that video in the description box and the pinned comment. Do well to check it out. The number two passive income on my list is niche affiliate marketing. Do not hop out of this video because you've heard the word affiliate marketing. I know your thoughts towards affiliate markets. You might be thinking that affiliate marketing is saturated. I understand. Permit me to let you know that you have not approached affiliate marketing the right way. Affiliate marketing can never be oversaturated. Being 10 years, 20 years to come, affiliate marketing will never be oversaturated. The problem is you do not approach affiliate marketing the right way. Niche affiliate marketing involves creating a website or blog focused on specific topic and promoting products related to that niche. By joining affiliate programs, you can earn commissions for every sale that is made through your affiliate link. The key here is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and start creating valuable content that attracts your target audience. I know that there are some beginners who are watching this video right now. If you are a beginner that is new to affiliate marketing, I will advise that you start from the beginning because this particular niche affiliate marketing I'm talking about is for experienced people. I'll be dropping a video link on the description and on the pinned comments for you to go and learn affiliate marketing if you are a beginner. It's a step-by-step guide that is actually going to guide you on affiliate marketing properly. Do well to check the video out. It will be on the description and the pinned comment of this video. The number three passive income idea on my list is create and sell digital products. This can include ebooks, online courses, software, printables, and lots more. Digital products are great passive income because you create it once, that you put in the work once, and you are going to be selling it repeatedly over and over and over again for a very long period of time, if not for a lifetime. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, Etsy make it easy for you to get started as soon as possible. Think about any skill that you are knowledgeable about that others will find valuable. You can actually turn that skill into a digital product that is going to be making you money over and over again. And if you are watching me right now, you feel that you do not have any skill, thank God for the help of AI. AI has come to stay and we are going to be using it for our own advantage. You can use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT like certain questions like, what kind of digital products can I put up today and start making sale as soon as possible? When it gives you the list, check if you've seen anyone that you are knowledgeable about or anyone that interests you. If you see anyone that interests you, go to YouTube, consume some videos and make your proper research. You can actually create a digital product with those information. You don't actually need to be so knowledgeable about a particular topic before you can actually produce a digital product out of it. Just make sure that you know something that others do not know, either with 1% or with 2%. With that, you can actually create a very profitable digital product that is going to be making you money every single day, year in, year out, for a very long time, if not for a lifetime. The number 4 passive income idea on my list is selling stock photos. If you enjoy photography, you can upload your photos to stock photos websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getting Images. The beautiful part is anytime someone downloads your photo, you are going to be earning a commission. It's a great way to monetize your hobby and earn commissions. If you are interested in this passive income number 4, you actually do not need to upload your photos if you don't want to. You can go to free image website like pixels.com, pixabay.com, download any photos that you love, like landscape photo and any other photos at all. You can actually get those photos from this website and upload them into this website. Whenever someone downloads your photo, you are going to be earning commission. The number 5 passive income on my list is investing in REITs, that's real estate investment stock. Investing in REITs or real estate investment stock is a great way to earn passive income from real estate without owning properties. REITs are companies that own and manage income-producing real estate. By investing in REITs, you can earn dividends from rental income generated from those properties. It's a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and earn passive income. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content like this. Let me give you 2 seconds for you to do that. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and please share. Thank you guys for doing that. Let's continue. The number 6 passive income idea on my list is creating a YouTube channel. Guys, I cannot overemphasize on creating a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a fantastic passive income idea that anyone can actually do. With consistency and valuable content, you are going to see people who see value for the kind of content you are producing, and they will willingly subscribe to you because indeed you are giving them value, and in turn they would like to subscribe to you so that they will be able to have access to your wealth of wisdom. Do not underestimate the power of creating your YouTube channel. I know before you can get monetized, it's actually quite tasking, but if you put in the work and get monetized, I'm telling you, it's a fantastic and a great decision for you to actually create a YouTube channel. The consistency I'm talking about, I'm not saying you should be uploading video every day on your channel. If you can upload quality and valuable content on your YouTube channel every single day, then there's a tendency that you are going to get monetized soon, because the more content you produce, that's the more subscriber you can get and the more watch hours you can get. If your channel get monetized by YouTube, you are going to be earning passive income from YouTube. If your channel get monetized, there are tons of ways that you can actually earn money on YouTube. You can earn through ads, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and even brand deals. There are a whole lot of benefits if your channel got monetized, and there's even a way that you can actually start earning from your YouTube channel before you get monetized. That is a video for another day. If you want me to create that video, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be creating that video just for you. The number 7th passive income idea is licensing your music. If you are musically inclined, consider licensing your music. You can create music and license it for use in commercials, TV shows, movies, and online videos. Every time your music is used, you will earn royalties. Platforms like Audio Jungle and Spotify make it easy to get started with music licensing. The number 8 passive income idea on my list is creating an online course. Creating an online course is a fantastic way to share your knowledge at the same time earning passive income from it. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allows you to create courses on a wide range of topics. Once your course is live, students can enroll and start learning at their own pace, providing you with a steady stream of income. The number 9 passive income idea is renting out storage space. Do you have extra space in your home or garage? If you answer yes to this question, then consider renting it out as a storage space. Websites like Neighbor and Store at My House connect people who need storage to those who have extra storage space. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income without much effort. The number 10 passive income on my list is print on demand. Print on demand is another great passive income idea. You can design t-shirts, mug, phone cases, and sell them through platforms like Printful and Teespring. When someone makes a purchase, the platform handles the printing and the shipping of the products. This allows you to earn passive income from designs. The number 11 passive income idea on my list is write and sell an ebook. Writing and selling an ebook is a classic way to earn passive income. You can write ebooks on topics you are knowledgeable about, or you can also use ChatGPT to generate fresh ideas on the topics that people are really interested in. So you can write an ebook on that also. You can actually upload these ebooks on platforms like Amazon KDP for you to start earning passive income in royalty. If you want me to do a dedicated video on how you can write a good ebook under 24 hours, let me know in the comment section and I'll be creating that video for you guys. The last but not the least, which is the number 12 passive income idea, is renting out your car. Consider renting out your car if you are not using it. Platforms like Tura allows you to list out your car for renters. You will start earning money once someone book your car from that platform. It's a great way to turn unutilized assets to passive income. There you have it, guys. These are 12 solid passive income ideas that anyone can actually start today and start making money as soon as possible. This brings us to the end of the video, guys. The next video that is showing up on your screen right now is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can actually make money online the laziest way ever. Click on it and I will see you in the other side.